Walking through the 2025 Los Angeles Auto Show, one display felt like it pulled me in more than anything else, and that was the Galpin Auto Sports section. Their Porsche lineup had this mix of heritage, personality, and craftsmanship that really stood out. These were not just cars polished for a convention center floor. They were stories on wheels, each with its own past and its own transformation. Even though Porsche Downtown Los Angeles had the newest models on the main floor, the soul of Porsche truly felt alive in Galpin's corner of the show. If you are a Porsche fan, their collection alone made the visit worth it. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.